Actress Julia Barretto is now a member of the Philippine Coast Guard. Barretto joined the uniformed service by taking part in PCG's Auxiliary K-9 program. Joining the actress at the donning of rank and oath-taking ceremonies is her boyfriend, fellow actor Gerald Anderson. Anderson is a lieutenant commander at the PCG K-9 Squadron. Barretto is given the ensign rank, which is equivalent to second lieutenant in the Philippine Army. Being the most senior appointee, Barretto spoke on behalf of her batchmates. She thanked PCG for accepting her and pledged to support the initiatives of her unit in delivering service to the Filipino people.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.